channel. My channel is dedicated to a lot of people who do not know what cryptocurrency is, as how it is created. I'm going to be teaching you how it's created. We'll be looking at Bitcoin source code. We'll be looking at Monero source code. We'll be looking at the Cryptonight. That of Monero, look at Monero and all Cryptonite coin. Look at how they are done, how they are created. I will be also telling you how to get VPS, Virtual Private Server (VPS) for hosting nodes. I'll teach you how they are configured. I'll teach you a lot of stuff about cryptocurrency and how they are done. I'm going to be teaching you also about exchange, Bitcoin exchange, how you create cryptocurrency exchange for use. I'll teach you how you do that. So first thing first, we'll be looking at what we call GitHub. GitHub. We'll create our GitHub page where GitHub is kind of a place that will house our coin, our codes for creating our coin. So right now, let's give our name GitHub. If you want to create, first thing first, you go to github.com. Let's say GitHub. Let's start it. Github.com. Github.com. Look at sign up. Click on sign up. And it takes you to create your account. So let's create our account. Um, let's call our account Guru to class. Guru to class. Then Guru to class at gmail.com, and then let's put our password. So then email preference, send me email preference, click on it. Let's verify. Click here, click here. Oh, perfect. So done that. Let's go here. It tells you either you go for free or you go for pro. I love pro a lot, so pro is very good. But for this class, we are going to be going for free. But I normally go for pro because it's the best. You have a lot of features, unlimited collaborators, um, 3,000 total action minutes per month, 1 gig of GitHub packages storage, private GitHub page and WikiLeaks, private protected branch, code owner repository insight. So it's very good. I love this particular one. But for this, we're going to free package, free package. I say welcome to GitHub. This how many programming experience do you have? Like if you don't have a lot, I can say if it's me, I'll say a lot. You can choose anyone, but for me, I say a lot. What do you plan to use GitHub for? Learn codes, learn GitHub, Git and GitHub, host a project. So let's say host a project. Uh, I'm interested in what language? I can say C++, mhm, Python, mhm, um, Ruby, okay. I can choose anything I want. Anything I want. So you can choose any. You choose one or two, and then click on setup. So it said, please verify your account. So thank you. This first video. So